Hi everybody, welcome to this Wall Street News. Shares of Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company fell 4.8% Thursday after its earnings release. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, the number of Americans who claim unemployment benefits was unchanged at 212,000 last week. According to the National Association of Realtors, existing home sales fell 4.3% month-over-month, while median existing home sales price rose 4.8% year-over-year. New York Fed President John Williams said he doesn't feel urgency to cut interest rates. 10-year Treasury yield moves dramatically up and down on Fed officials' remarks and geopolitical issues in the Middle East. S&P 500 fell 0.22% Thursday, notched 5-day losing streak. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company reported 592.6 billion new Taiwan dollars of net revenue and 225.5 billion new Taiwan dollars of net income. So the company beat it on the top and bottom lines. The company's net revenue rose 16% from a year ago, and net income increased 8.9% year-over-year. For the second quarter revenue, the company expected to be between 19.6 billion US dollars to 20.4 billion US dollars, which is also better than expected. TSMC CEO C.C. Wei spoke during the conference call said, quote, "Moving into second quarter 2024, we expect our business to be supported by strong demand for our industry-leading 3nm and 5nm technologies, partially offset by continued smartphone seasonality." Looking at the full year 2024, macroeconomic and geopolitical uncertainty persists, potentially further weighing on consumer sentiment and end market demand. We thus expect the overall semiconductor market, excluding memory, to experience a more mild and gradual recovery in 2024. We lowered our forecast for 2024 overall semiconductor market, excluding memory, to increase by approximately 10% year-over-year. In the week ending April 13th, the number of Americans who claim unemployment benefit was unchanged at 212,000. The previous week's level was revised up by 1,000 from 211,000 to 212,000. The continuing claims were also almost unchanged at 1.8 million in the week ending April 6th. This report tells us that the U.S. labor market remains resilient. According to the National Association of Realtors, existing home sales dropped 4.3% in March to 4.19 million. For a yearly basis, the existing home sales fell 3.7%. The National Association of Realtors said, quote, "The median existing home sales rose 4.8% from March 2023 to $393,500, the ninth consecutive month of year-over-year price gains and the highest price ever for the month of March." End quote. Federal Reserve Bank of New York President John Williams had a discussion on Thursday with Gina Chun, who is the senior editor in Senator. The New York Fed president said, quote, "We have a strong economy. We want a strong economy. That's all very good news. But it also means that the rates that we haven't caused the economy to slow too much. Monetary policy is in a good place. I think you've got interest rate in a place that is moving us gradually to our goal. So I definitely don't feel urgency to cut interest rates." Senator senior editor Gina Chun asked the question saying, quote, "Is there a possibility that the U.S. economy is so hot that the Fed would consider raising rates?" He answered, quote, "It's not my baseline. Of course, you never know what can happen. If the data are telling us that it would need higher interest rate to achieve our goals, then it would obviously want to do that." 10-year Treasury yield moves dramatically up and down this week. The yield had risen after the strong U.S. retail sales on Monday and hawkish Jerome Powell's remarks on Tuesday. The yields fell as oil prices eased on Wednesday. The yields were up after the New York Fed President John Williams' remarks on Thursday morning. Then the yield is falling again on escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. For the U.S. stocks, S&P 500 fell 0.22%. Tech-heavy Nasdaq also lost 0.52%. S&P 500 and Nasdaq both notched 5-day losing streaks. This is end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.